tired.
Rubber legs.
Your legs are all worn out. You're tired from walking 10 feet. What is that? What is Bailey? What are you gonna do with the buzzard?
He's sticking your tongue out at me.
What are you doing here? Are you trying to crawl to Mama? Do you want to grab that video camera?
Bye. Bye. Alek has something for you.
Look what Alek has.
Look what Alek has.
Good job, Alek.
I am going to get it.
Okay, put it down. Okay, Erin, who's this? Who's this?
Bounce with me. You want to think about Tigger. The Tigger's the wonderful thing. You're top of the brother. You're out of the middle of the street. You're bouncy, bouncy,
You're getting show Mimi how you play with the train table. You want to show Mimi the train table?
Does that Mimi?
No, Mimi's going to be on the camera. Mimi's in the camera. You say hi, Mimi.
Hi, Mimi.
Hi, Papa Allen.
Hi, Papa Allen.
Okay, show them how you use the train table. There it goes.
Want to see Papa Allen?
He's in Japan. Can you say Japan? You don't have to. Do you want to push the train up in the circle?
Yeah. There comes the train.
Yeah. What's the train sound like?
Toot toot.
Yeah, that's good. And then you push it through.
Want to see Mimi?
Oh, here you go. She's not here. It's just a picture of Alek. Okay? Show us how you do the train. Daddy needs to see. Alright, that's pretty cool. Goes around in a circle.
It's going to come up this hill
Oh,
when it's through a tunnel.
okay.
And it's going down the big ramp
Uh-huh.
when it's up there.
Well, I can't wait to see that. That sounds fun. Is that the big ramp?
Yeah. That's little crane.
Uh-huh. That's the gate.
What's that train do?
I don't know. You tell me.
The train drives.
It drives, yeah. Does it make sounds?
Yeah. Is it making sounds?
That's a good train sound. Can you say night night Mimi? Night night
Night
Papa?
night, Mimi.
Night night Papa Allen?
Night night, Papa Allen.
Anything else you want to say? What?